Yes, baby. You want to unbox? Huh? You want to open? Let's open, okay? Wait. What's that, baby? The paper is it's not important, Zito. The other one. Sige, remove. Here, baby. Wait. That. You know what is this? You know, huh? What is that? That is rice cooker. We need new one because the other one is not working anymore. Yeah, you cook rice now. You cook rice. You know how to cook rice, right? Come here. Where are you going? Come here. Why? What do you want? What do you want to do? What? You will cook your toy? Ah, sige, cook your toy. Ah. Sige. That's how to use the rice cooker? Cooking the toys? Huh? Now, Zido now cooking his toys. That's how he used the rice cooker. Cooking the toys. Instead of cooking rice, he's cooking his toys. Oh, here's the halado. Sige, cook. Done? Huh? Can I taste your toy? Wait, Mama will eat your toy. Yummy. Zido also eat the toy. Yummy.